Hello children, how are you? Hope all of you are doing good in your home and your studies are going very well. Myself Divya Sahu and today I am going to teach you a new lesson in science. So let's start. So children, tell me, all living things are made up of what? They are made up of cells, right? Human body is also made up of cells. So these cells, different cells, they unite to form tissue, right? Different tissues join to form organ joins to form organ systems, then different organ systems together they form a body, right? So what I told, human body is made up of cells. These cells, they unite to form tissue. Tissue is nothing but it is a group of cells which performs a particular function. So cells unite to form tissue. Tissue unite to form organs, right? Organs like liver, heart. Then different organs, they unite to form organ systems. What do they form? They form organ system, right? Like in case of digestive system, liver, stomach, intestine, they unite to form digestive system, right? Different organ systems, children, they unite to form body. Or in case of human body, you can say human body, right? So, you know how the structural organization is going on. Now children, if I talk about organ system, last year in 4th grade, you have studied about 8 type of organ systems in human body, right? Can you give me few examples? Yes. Digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, circulatory system, muscular system, skeletal system, reproductive and excretory system. So you have studied about these 8 different types of organ system previously. Now if I ask you, out of these organ systems, which system controls all the other organ systems? Okay, the answer is nervous system. Nervous system controls all the other organ systems in a human body. Like children, if I give you one example of cricket team. In a cricket team, many players are there. You people also play cricket, isn't it? So when you play cricket and there is no coordination among different players. What is coordination meaning here? Coordination meaning is that organization of things to work together, right? So organizing to work together is called coordination. So children, if there is no coordination between the players of a cricket team, will they be able to win the match? Will they be able to play properly? No. Why? Because there is no proper coordination. In the same way, children, in our human body also, a coordination is required between these organ systems so that they can work properly. All of you know, each organ system, they perform a specific function. Like digestive system helps in digestion, respiratory system helps in respiration, excretory system helps in excretion of substances from our body, right? So these organ system, they are performing different functions. So there must be a coordination among them. They should work together in a proper way. So children, to make these organ system work in a coordinated manner, in a proper way, there is one system, that is nervous system, right? Children, this nervous system, it controls all the organ system and so our body works in a proper way, right? Also children, you know about sense organs. Human body have 5 sense organs. Can you tell them? What are those 5 sense organs? Yes, these are eyes, nose, ear, tongue, and our skin. So our 5 sense organs, they are meant, what is their function? What is they meant for? They meant for to sense the world around us, to sense things around us, right? Like eyes help us to, yes, eyes help us to see, ear help us to listen, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste, skin help us to touch, right? So children, as nervous system is controlling different organ systems in our body, it also controls sense organs in our body also. Okay, so it controls our sense organs also. So what is the function of nervous system? It is controlling all the organ systems, it is controlling our sense organs. In fact, children, everything we do, that all things are controlled by nervous system. We study, we read, we write, we think, we eat, we drink, we walk, right? These all activities are monitored by nervous system. Then inside our body, digestion is going on, respiration is going on, circulation is going on. So all these internal activities inside our body, these are also governed by nervous system. Okay children? So children, our today's topic is nervous system. Our nervous system is made up of 3 parts. What are those 3 parts? First tell me, which organ in our body help us to think? Yes, brain help us to think. So children, first part of our nervous system is brain. Where is brain located, children? Brain is located in our head. Yes. And inside the head there is a hard and bony structure. That hard and bony structure is called skull. So brain is located inside the skull in our head. Now what is the second part of our nervous system? Second part is, children, spinal cord. Second part is what? Spinal cord. And where is it present? Children, if you will touch your back, you will feel some hard structure, hard bony structure. Actually, that hard bony structure which runs through the middle of your back, it is called vertebral column or spine. So children, spinal cord, it runs through that middle, it runs through the middle of vertebral column. It runs through the middle of spine. Okay. So if I ask you, where is spinal cord located? Spinal cord is located in our body on the back side, inside the vertebral column. Right? Before telling more about the spinal cord, I want to tell you one term, that is third part of nervous system, and that is nerves. Third part of nervous system is nerves, children. Children, these nerves are present in our entire body. From top to toe, there is an interconnected network of nerves inside our body. Okay? These nerves, they sense things. They receive messages, they send it to brain, then brain processes it, and it again send back the messages through these nerves. This interconnected network of nerves you can compare with the roads connected in a city. How different roads are connected to different parts of a city. Right? If you have seen Google Map, in Google Map, how different roads are connecting different parts of a city. In the same way, children, inside our body, these nerves, they are connected to different parts. They receive messages from different parts. They send this information to brain. They send these messages to brain. Brain processes these messages, and again that brain send back these signals to different parts in our body. So in this way, nerves work. Also, I told you that spinal cord, it is also a bundle of nerves. These nerves also, they are connected to brain. So there also brain receives messages and it sends it back. So children, this was all about 3 parts of our nervous system. In the upcoming part of the lesson, we will study about these parts one by one in detail. Before that, I also want to give you one example like how it works. Suppose you have given one pizza. So you will put it in your mouth, then taste will be sensed by tongue. Okay. So there will be sense in tongue that it is salty, it is fatty, it is so tasty. So nerves present in the tongue, they will send message to brain. And we will realize that it is salty, fatty and tasty. So in this way, children, our nervous system works. If I recapitulate our today's topic, what is the most important organ system in our body? Nervous system. Which organ system in our body controls all the other organ systems in our body? Yes, nervous system controls all the other organ systems in our body. What are the 3 parts of nervous system? Yes, these are brain, spinal cord and nerves. Where is brain located? Brain is located in our head inside the skull. Then where is spinal cord located? What is spinal cord? Spinal cord is a bundle of nerves which is present inside the vertebral column in our back. What is function of nerves? Yes, through nerves, messages from different parts of the body, these are sent to brain. Then brain processes that messages and it again sent back to nerves. Right? So this was all about nervous system. In our next topic, children, we will discuss about brain. Hope you got all the points and all the things are clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.